Here we are, tasting video. The pumpkin beer, it has arrived. It is ready. It is ready to go. This was a beer mashed into pumpkin. I'll screenshot the recipe right now. Ring. I'll put the recipe and the brew day video in the description below, so you can check that out as well to see exactly what I did to get here. Yeah, just basically mashed into pumpkin for the hydration. Put it in the oven to keep the temps. Hold it there. And everything else was normal. I did also, I did this last year, and I made this recipe a little darker than that one. Made it closer to a stout. A little darker than I probably was going for, but, you know, it's alright. I'm not getting any pumpkin. Last year I actually got a little bit of pumpkin in my finished beer. This time I'm not getting anything. Nice clean malt aroma. Slight roast. Yeah, it has more of like a nice malty smell to it. Nice little roast to it. But I'm not getting any pumpkin. And I mean, maybe, but I have to look for it. If I didn't know this was mashed into pumpkin, there's no way I would say it's in a pumpkin based off the smell. Let's give it a taste. Yeah, I'm not getting any pumpkin in that at all. I think the roast in it is overpowering any pumpkin that might be there. I think like if it was a blonde ale, you know, keep the recipe really, really simple in that regard as far as the grist goes. That probably would help. It tastes like a nice, clean stout or porter, honestly. Yeah, no off flavors. Nice roast there. Nice little bitterness punch at the end there. Just a little one, but balanced nicely. It might be hair watery now that I'm sipping it, but it's all right though. It's all right. I think next year I might try and ferment in the pumpkin itself for a couple days, maybe 2 days max, and then transfer it off and see if that does anything, like open fermentation in a pumpkin. But and definitely change the recipe. I'll probably make it a lot lighter. You know, just a little bit of dark malts, just to really see what that does in that regard. But hey, I have drinkable beer, and it was a fun experiment. And yeah, that's it. Short and sweet. Keep trying stuff and keep brewing. See you next time.